Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a makeup haul. I asked you guys on YouTube on my community tab if you guys would like to see another Sephora haul, just because I ended up making a third order. I know, for the Sephora VIB sale, and you guys said yes, and I just want to thank you for actually communicating with me on my community tab. It really helps me out to let me know what you guys want to see and what you are liking, and it just helps me out a lot, so I just wanted to say thank you. But yeah, I ended up putting everything that I ordered in a Sephora bag just to make it easier on myself, and I also got some stuff from Ulta. We had an extra discount as employees, so I picked some stuff up from here that I just thought I would throw into this haul as well. And so yeah, if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off with the stuff that you could strictly just get at Sephora, then I'm going to move on to the stuff that you could get at both Sephora and Ulta, and then I'm going to show you the stuff that I got at Ulta that's exclusive to there, or like that you can't get at Sephora basically, but you could get it on the brand's websites of course. But you know what I'm talking about, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I picked up from Sephora was this Fenty Beauty product, and this is her gloss balm in the color Fenty Glow. Now, I haven't tried any of her lip glosses before. Actually, the only product I've tried from Fenty Beauty is what I have on my lips, and this is one of her liquid lipsticks in the color Uncuffed, and I really like it so far. So I wanted to try one of her glosses, and this one just spoke to me, the color. The other one was like a white color with sparkles in it, and I don't know, I'm just not into that kind of gloss. And so this is what the packaging looks like. It's super duper pretty. I've just heard so much good things about her gloss, so I really wanted to try it out. And so I'll go ahead and swatch it in case you guys haven't seen this already, which I'm pretty sure you have. Ooh, it feels like it's really thick. Hopefully it's not sticky. But this is what the color looks like, and it has a really nice sheen to it. I think I want to try it on top of what I'm wearing, just because I feel like my lips are a little bit dry, and I kind of want to see what these look like together. So I'm just gonna pop this on. Ooh, it smells good. It's not sticky whatsoever. Like, my lips don't stick together, but it does feel like a little bit thick. They look really nice together. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Sephora was this Artist Couture Diamond Luxe Luminizer. So basically it's a highlighter, and I got mine in the color Hute Damn. And I'm actually gonna be doing a full video on this, swatches, and also trying it on the face, so be on the lookout for that. It should be up after this video, but this is what it looks like. Let me get my fingerprints off of it. It's in this really beautiful black and gold packaging, and it's this really beautiful kind of light gold color. It's so pretty. So like I said, I am going to be doing a video on that, so I'm not going to swatch it. Okay, so the next thing I got, I'm super excited to try out. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I've been hearing nothing but good things about this concealer. It's $30, and I got mine in the color in Light 1. Hopefully this will be a good match for me, but this is what the packaging looks like. Super duper cute. It looks like it's a really small concealer, but it does have 10 milliliters in it, so 0.33 fluid ounces, and it has that like weird applicator on it. It's like a little ball. Well, a lot of product comes up. That is what it looks like. I'll show you what the color I got looks like. That is what the color looks like. Now, I did swatch this at work, and they do oxidize pretty badly. So if you're picking out a color, I would just go lighter just in case, because it does oxidize. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so this is the Too Faced the Sweet Smell of Christmas liquid lipstick set. I feel like I always get the Too Faced lip sets during the holidays just because they are so good. I got the one last year for Christmas. I either ask for it for Christmas or I just buy it myself, because I mean, I do get a discount at work. But these just had such beautiful shades in it, and I have already tried the Too Faced liquid lipstick formula, and I really love it. But just check out this packaging. It is so freaking cute. So in here we have pumpkin spice, sugar cookie, cinnamon bear, and hot buttered rum. Look at the little lids. They're so cute. They have little desserts all over them. Aww. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is pumpkin spice, and it has little pumpkin pies and pumpkins on the lid. Let's see if it smells like pumpkin. Oh, it does smell like pumpkin pie. At first I didn't think it smelled like pumpkin, but it does smell like a pumpkin pie. You're probably like, what are you talking about? Like, how did you not know that? I don't know. It just smelled like something different at first. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. It's a really pretty kind of like mid-tone orange. It's not too bright in your face, but it's definitely not like a nude orange. So that one is pumpkin spice. Next up, we have the color Sugar Cookie, which is this really beautiful nude. You guys know I love my nudes, and it has little cookies on top. Let's see if this really smells like cookies. Ooh. It doesn't smell like cookies, it smells like vanilla, but it smells really good. This reminds me a lot of the color Child Star that's a part of their permanent line, but I did swatch them next to each other at work because I'm crazy and I wanted to compare them, and they are a tad bit different. And so that one is Sugar Cookie. I definitely think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of that one. So beautiful. Okay, the next one is this pretty like bright red, which I honestly don't think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of just because I do have red hair and red doesn't look the best on me, but I thought, you know, it's holiday season, I'm probably gonna wear red at some point, and so let's go ahead and smell this one. I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell of this one because I don't like the smell of cinnamon. It barely even has a smell. Oh, I can smell it now. Aw, did I get it on my nose? Yes, I did. Dang it. So if you put your nose in it, you could smell the cinnamon, which I actually like because like I said, I don't like cinnamon that much. So I'm glad that this one's not so strong. This one is just a really beautiful kind of like true red. So that one is Cinnamon Bear, and they all dry super duper matte. Those two are already dry. And last but not least, we have Hot Buttered Rum, which is like kind of an orangey nude. I don't know what hot buttered rum smells like, so we'll just see what this smells like. Oh God. That one is really sweet. It smells like those Bath and Body Works candles that are overly sweet. But I'm pretty sure the smell doesn't like linger. Ooh, that one is a beautiful like fall nude. It's a really warm nude. So that one is Hot Buttered Rum. And as you can see, all four of these are so beautiful. So this set was only $25, which is a really, really, really good deal just because I think one of these is like $25 if I'm not mistaken, and you get 4 different colors, which nobody really goes through a whole liquid lipstick unless your makeup collection is very minimal and you just like use the same colors all the time. But someone like me that has like a huge lip collection, this is just perfect. I was actually thinking about doing like a lip swatch video and just like playing music and trying all these on for you guys. Let me know if you guys would like that because I've actually never done like a lip video on my channel, and I was just like interested in it, and I don't know if you guys would watch it. Next up, I got a beauty blender, which I'm really excited about just because this is one of those like mystery ones, so you don't know which color you're gonna get, so it's supposed to surprise you. I don't know why I'm talking like that. You get to pick from original, or you don't get to pick, but these are the options, okay? So it's from Original, Joy, Chill, and then a mystery one. And then you also get like a mini solid cleanser, which always comes in handy. And you don't have to pay more for this one. It costs the exact same price as like a regular beauty blender, the $20. But you get a free little mini solid in there, and you also get a surprise color. So let's go ahead and open it and see which one I got. Knowing me, I'll probably just get the original, which I'm okay with. Like, it's okay, but I kind of want to be surprised with the different colors, so let's see what I got. I'm gonna open it with these little baby scissors. Watch me cut my beauty blender, I would cry. Ugh. Ooh, oh my god. Okay, so it's in a little bag. It's in this little sprinkle bag. How cute is that? I'm surprised it fit in here. The anticipation is killing me. Okay, so let's see. Ugh. Guess what? Guess which one I got? I'm so sad right now, guys. I got the freaking original one. This is so small. Like, is this a regular size beauty blender? Yeah, it's the regular size. I guess it's just because it's never been wet, but I got the original. That's freaking boring. Oh, but it came with a little pink solid. How cute is that? How, like, what did it say? It says 11 in 24 chance for the original, 6 in 24 chance for the yellow, 6 in 24 chance for the chill, and 1 in 24 chance for the mystery color. Ain't nobody gonna get that mystery color, are they? But I'm excited about my new Beauty Blender. I'm glad that I have a backup. I'm gonna keep it in this little box until I'm done with mine. I feel like I go through Beauty Blenders so frequently. Like, do you guys feel that way? I don't know if it's just because I use Beauty Blenders for powder also, like to bake under my eyes and stuff, but it starts to rip really easily. But I love Beauty Blenders for powder. I just love them in general because you could use them for so many things. I just hate that mine rips so easily. Okay, so I got a point perk from Sephora. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I've heard everybody raving about this and I really wanted to try it out, but I will not buy another mascara. If you saw my mascara drawer from my makeup collection video, you would know I have way too many mascaras. So when I saw this as a point perk, I thought it was perfect because it's just a mini mascara and it would just like let me try it out. I feel like their perks are getting better, but I honestly feel like it's because they're like making the perks better so you could spend your points so you won't add them up to get a gift card. So it's kind of like, I don't know, they're being shady, you know? But I ended up spending my points on this. I think it was like 100 points and I'm so excited to try it out. I'm almost at 1,000 points, but I feel like you have to have like 2,500 to get a gift card, which is insane. Like you have to spend that amount of money just to get the gift card, but I don't know. If you guys have tried this mascara and you like it, let me know in the comments down below, but I'm really interested in it. I thought it was gonna be really heavyweight like the original one, but it's not. It's just like a normal kind of like mini size. But this is what the packaging looks like. Let's look at the brush. Whoa. That's a huge brush for such a small mascara. Do you guys see it? That looks like a nice brush though. It doesn't look super clumpy, but it looks like very thick, like it would give you a lot of volume. Okay, so moving on to the stuff that you could only find at Ulta. So this month is my birthday month. It's November 8th and I'm gonna be 24. So I did get my birthday gift from Ulta. And I'm kind of disappointed because last time I got a birthday gift, I believe it was full size and now it's like a mini thing. But I still am really excited about it because I've been wanting to try this mascara for so long, but like I said before, I am not spending the money on mascara because I've just gotten so many for free from being in Prestige and just working at Ulta, so I just don't want to spend the money on another mascara because I have so many already. But for the birthday gift, I got the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara and it's another mini size, which I'm not going to open this one just because I just opened the milk one. But I'm so excited about this. I've heard really good things about this one as well, and it's just supposed to be really good for volume, so I'm really excited to try that out. I do think it was an awesome like birthday gift. I just wish it was full size, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so next up I got another highlighter. This one is from Ofra. So it's part of their winter heat wave collection and it's in the shade All of the Lights. So if you haven't seen my review over this highlight, I will put it right here in the cards, but check this out, guys. I kind of like made my dirty already because I already used it for the video, but look at that. It's so gorgeous. It's like the perfect highlighter for light to medium skin tones. And it has a lot of the really popular shades in here. So it has, what is it? Here, let me look at it and see. Okay, so we have Blissful, Star Island, Pillow Talk, and Rodeo Drive all in this like one little wheel. And if you mix them all together, it is so beautiful. So definitely check out my video if you want to see it in action. Oh my gosh, okay, so this isn't something that I bought, but I threw it in here because I wanted to show you guys because I think it's just so cute. So my manager at work, she gave me these little pins. And they're little Urban Decay pins. So they're from the Naked Cherry line. They're so cute. Look at that. They are so freaking adorable. I'm thinking about like just collecting a lot of these because we get them a lot at work. And just like making a jacket, like a denim jacket, and just pinning them all to a denim jacket. I think that would look so cute because I do have some MAC pins as well. And I don't know, just a jacket full of brands, that would be awesome. So we started carrying a lot of different high-end lashes at Ulta now, especially in store. We always had velour online, but now we have it in store, and we also have Lily lashes and House of Lashes, which I'm really excited about because I love House of Lashes. So that being said, I did get some iconic lashes. I haven't used them yet. They're so beautiful. I remember using these way back in the day and I really loved them, so I thought I would give them a try again, just because I've been stuck in my ways with my Ardell Wispies. But these are what the lashes look like. Super duper pretty. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before just because they're a cult classic. And these are only $12, but I ended up getting them free because I ended up buying them with my points. Okay, and last but not least, I got another highlighter. You guys are probably like, what? Did you just show like 3 highlighters in this video? Yes, I did. I love me some highlight. So I got one from MAC. This is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the color SnowFlushed. And oh my gosh, guys, when I first saw this at work, I was putting it out on the shelf and I was making testers of everything, and I was like showing everybody at work. I was like, look at this highlighter, look at this highlighter, it's so beautiful, look at it. And I would swatch it and show everybody. Some people even put it on, and I put it on. And so I fell in love with it that day, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this at the end of my shift. And then someone asked me, a customer asked me like, what are you wearing on your cheeks? It's so beautiful. And then I showed her it because it was this highlight, and she bought the last one, and I was really sad. So I had to wait for it to come back in stock to repurchase it, or to purchase it, because I never got to buy it because I basically sold them all. So this is a part of the Shiny Pretty collection, so it is in that silver packaging. So check out this highlighter, guys. It is so beautiful. It's like a mix of gold and pink reflex. So this highlighter does have glitter in it though, and I'm not that big of a fan of glitter in a highlighter, but this is more of like a blush topper for me, just because it is on the more darker side and I'm a little bit more of a light now just because it's fall and winter time. But it still looks really beautiful on the skin. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. That is what it looks like on the finger, and as you can see, hopefully you can see all the like different colors it has. It's just so beautiful. And then I'll go ahead and swatch it right under these swatches. Look at that. So that is what it looks like. It is so reflective and beautiful. And like I said, I usually don't wear highlighters with glitter, but this one I just had to. So let me know if you guys want a video on this, just because I've been doing a lot of highlighting videos recently on highlighters, and I've already tried this at work, so it's not going to be like a first impression or anything, so I thought I would just show you in a haul. But if you do want to see a video of me like trying it on, just let me know and I'll show it in a future one. I'm thinking about doing just like a full face trying all new makeup, because I've been hauling a lot of makeup recently, but I haven't been showing me use it, or I just show one thing. And I kind of just want to do like a full face and just chat with you guys about all the new stuff. I might include this in that video if you do want to see it, so let me know in the comments down below. But if you're wondering about the price, this does retail for $35, so it's a little bit more expensive than the Ofra highlighter, but it's cheaper than the Artist Couture highlighter. They're all kind of like different prices. I'm so sorry if I touched my hair a lot in this video, guys, just because it is so hot right now and I'm wearing a sweater, and with all these lights on me, it's too much. And I'm wearing fuzzy socks right now too. Do you guys see them? They're Christmas socks. It's that time of year, guys. It is cold, but now that I'm in front of all these lights and stuff, I feel hot. But yeah, enough of my rambling. That is gonna be everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have any questions or comments that you want to add, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer it for you guys. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!